I gotta see his face.
I'm under arrest. I'm going to jail for 30 years.
What's up guys, it's Josh from Blackout Tinting. It's Wednesday, so we're gonna show you what's going on behind the scenes here at Blackout. So I'm in the tint bay right now. You can see we're packed full today. We've got 2 Rams in here. This is a brand new 2500. We tinted the windows. We're also doing a mini detail package on that truck. And over here, Terrell is working on tinting the front 2 windows of this Ram as well. So over here in the big bay, we've got a Chevy Silverado Trail Boss. This one's here for a ceramic coating. I want to say it's done or close to done. Patrick's been working on that. Jimmy is working on recoating some of this car. So we originally coated the car, then he decided to add paint protection film, and now we're coating over top of the paint protection film that we installed yesterday. Frank over there, he's installing a cat skin leather seat kit. So that's new upholstery for a brand new Toyota Corolla. We're changing it from cloth. Where's the cloth at, Frank? So we're changing it from a boring gray cloth to a 2-tone leather. You can see midway through the process there. And that's Minion, he's upset about something. We've got a Chevy Camaro. This one's here for an annual checkup and an interior detail. Jake's working on that one right now. We've got a Volkswagen Tiguan R-Line. This thing actually sounds surprisingly good. You can hear some turbo sounds from this thing. It's pretty cool. And this one was here for window tint as well as a ceramic coating. Over here, we've got a Challenger Red Eye. So this is a regular Challenger with a Hellcat engine and then more stuff on top of that. So from the factory, I think it makes 797 horsepower, something like that. They don't exist for the Charger yet, but hopefully soon. And maybe it'll be time to upgrade my Hellcat. Patrick is working on an MDX. This one got full front end protection with paint protection film. And now Patrick is doing a ceramic coating on that one also. In the wash bay, we've got a GT500. I think this car's an 06. Very clean car. It's here for a mini detail package. So Chris is working on that right now. Over here is the Corolla that we have the seats out of inside. We've got an F-150. This one's here for a full upfit. So this is the Police Interceptor edition, and it's getting lights and all kinds of stuff all over the place. So we're gonna be taking this one down to our other shop this afternoon so we can get started on that. We've got a square body. I'm not good with old trucks. I think this is a Chevy or GMC, and this one is getting a radio replacement. So it's really cool. They make an aftermarket radio that looks like the factory radio from these things, but it has Bluetooth and auxiliary and USB inputs and all that stuff, but it looks factory. We've got an F-150 Raptor. This one's from our friends over at Smale Ford, tinting the windows, or we did tint the windows, I'm sorry, on that one, so it's ready to go home. Over here, we've got an Acura RDX. We tinted the windows on that one this morning. Guys, check out this ZR1 Corvette. So this is a C6 ZR1. I love the plexiglass cover over the supercharger. Really cool car. This one's got low miles, great condition. It's here for paint protection film on the whole front end, as well as the rocker panels and the mirrors, and we're tinting the windows as well. So we're gonna get to the tint tomorrow, but all the paint protection film is done. So all the carbon fiber pieces that you see along the front and the side are protected, and all of the orange paint basically from the doors forward is protected as well. So no more rock chips for this thing. So behind me is exciting, not for us, but for our neighbors. They're putting up a pierogi factory, which I guess is exciting for us because we love pierogies. So that's going up really quickly. If you drive past, that's not our building, unfortunately. Thank you guys very much for watching. I hope you enjoy seeing what's going on in the shop, and we'll see you next Wednesday.
Rally the troops.
What do you see this thing?
A spicy punch to the tongue. Fiery jab to the face. Impaired vision and tears. Yeah, no impaired vision.
I don't know. He's just gonna eat it like he's done.
Yeah. Dude, that wild cherry Pepsi though is gonna activate it.
It's like a one bite thing, like you have to do the whole chip.
I mean, the whole chip.
You're not gonna do a trick, right?
That chip is black. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Looking chip.
Oh my god.
Can
I smell it?
You can smell it.
Oh.
Let me smell.
Oh my god. This is.
Is there another piece in the bag?
Yeah, like it broke off.
Let Jose eat that piece.
No,
Yeah.
there you go.
You said you wanted to do this.
I would have
Yeah.
done for 20. I'm not doing a little piece. What are you gonna give me?
He wanted $45,000 to eat a chip.
Isaiah's already sweating.
How often
Let's
do you
do
go
it.
to the club?
I got $1 in there for you.
Just one bite.
I'll
Dude,
take
come
that
on.
20.
Just don't be
One
ass
bite.
sender.
Send it in.
Full send.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
boy.
Oh my god.
What do you think? Mm-hmm.
Wait.
Nothing's hot for Terrell.
I don't know.
It's good, isn't
Does
it?
it at least taste good or is it just hot?
Bet you it's got a kick in.
Wow.
It's a kicking point.
No shit. Looks like
No,
they're warming up.
No, it's Terrell, guys. It's anticlimactic.
It's hot, but it's hot.
Not as
Finish it.
not as bad as the jelly.
Yeah, he has to finish it.
Isaiah. Ooh.
He'll go eat this.
Wait. Uh-oh. Get excited.
Don't drink the soda. See, that's what's gonna.
What'd you have for lunch?
See, that is not gonna do anything.
No, it will. It'll activate. Brandon. Oh. Oh, yeah. Action. Come here. Where you going?
Yeah, I went to cough when I went to swallow.
Why would you? You see?